Are we squeezing for DJT? We have some news, guys, for DJT taking over this stock, BKKT, which jumped 162 on this news. Look at this, guys. This stock got halted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times and halted around the 162 at the news of DJT about acquired this company. And guess what? The same for DJT jumped 16% in the market today. What we should expect, because right now in the pre-market, there is no action, there's no selling pressure, there's no buying pressure, there's anticipation. So in today's video, guys, we have to discuss the price action for tomorrow in the pre-market before the market open, because the action will start in pre-market for tomorrow and Tuesday. And as we said, guys, we always do our live streaming every day before the market open here on our Discord, where we discuss many stocks. Today we discuss APLM and many other stocks, which we actually took profit on it before the pullback. As you can see here, APLM, we took profit on it for today in the pre-market, and now it's pulling back, and we expect this huge buying pressure at the market open. So let's dive deeper, guys, and discuss DJT and where the price will go, because right now it's going in the green side. We jumped really nicely from the bottom around the 27, and we did technically 23% from the low around the 26. And as we discussed before, guys, we said the bottom for DJT is over the 25, and guess what? We have held this level of support, and finally the news came, and of course the investors and buyer came again. See what's happened here. We almost have three tests for DJT, so we technically trading nearly around the 25 for almost 10 days. 10 days around this level. Of course, we reverse first here almost 36%. Now we reverse 23%. So we'll see another jump for tomorrow and the next week. Before the end of this month, we need more than 36%, because as you can see here, DJT is not enough for DJT to squeeze. 36% is not enough. We need more. So for today, for you guys, we have to discuss how much we could do for the original squeeze, because we didn't squeeze yet. This is just aftermath of the news that got dropped in the market before the market closed. So we jumped on this news. So we're gonna discuss if we're gonna have another jump after this news. Are we gonna have another buyer? Because as we said, 23% is not enough. We need more than 30%. We need 50% or more for DJT to squeeze. Guys, hit the like, subscribe, because we always go live every day, as we said, around 9 a.m. Eastern time. Before that, on our Discord around 7 a.m. Eastern time, we're going to discuss the precise entry and exit for DJT for tomorrow. For now, guys, what we should expect, we have 29.15. So we have to forget about the $25 and focus on the 29.15. So this is the first support that we should hold to confirm if the buyer is still there. The next stop is we have to watch for this orange line. As you can look here, the 35.27, it is the current resistance and the next level where the short have to cover for DJT. So if we went there, we're gonna expect a jump of another 20%. So for this jump we did 20%, we expect another 20% around the below the $40. So the $40 is psychological level, and it's really strong level to break to confirm that we started to reverse for our stock. Because if we don't break the $40, guys, for this month, it will be a bit hard to do after this major news. And of course, many of you asking like what we should do for BKKT, because this is one of the meme stock before. It jumped many times before. We have good earnings here for this stock. So everything going good for BKKT, guys. We have good earnings back in Thursday, in the 14th of November. And of course, now look at that in a pre-market jumping 7% while I do this video. 7%, and I think this one going for a new high around 32, guys. Imagine this stock jumped from $10 until 30, so almost tripled in the price in just 1 hour. Imagine 1 hour, we did almost 200%. So this stock will do some action for tomorrow. Today, one of our elite members, John, asked us about this. And to be honest, guys, it was really difficult and dangerous to trade. That's why we said it's not good to trade this one after the mini halt. So this one, we're going to discuss it in the pre-market, before the market open, for a game plan. How do we trade this stock? Because right now have stabilized and there's a bit of pattern forming. So for tomorrow, we're going to discuss where the game plan and how we could make money of for this trade, because we already did 200% and it's just started, and you see in after hours it's still jumping. For DJT, as we said, guys, still moving and doing really all right. We have an established a new support right now over the 3182. We're gonna see a huge volatility. So finally, the blood and the action came back for DJT. You see, guys, stocks need some news. Yes, the technical looking good for now. Before, we don't have any news. That's why the price dropped and many buyers left DJT, and now we have the buyer coming back. So we're gonna confirm that by tomorrow, guys. So join us tomorrow. Hit the like, subscribe, hit the notification, and see you by tomorrow to discuss DJT in depth. In the meantime, watch out for the 29 and the 35.27, because those two levels will confirm everything for us for another jump for tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and see you by trading session on live streaming in the pre-market. Thank you for watching, everybody.